In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Facebook lead ads connected so new inquiries flow straight into your CRM without manual work. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the home page. From there, look for the setup icon in the top bar, usually a gear. Click it to open the settings area. In settings, find the channels section and choose social. This is where Zoho manages connections to platforms like Facebook. Inside social, look for the Facebook lead option and select it. This opens the integration area dedicated to Facebook lead ads. Next, click import to begin the connection flow. If you're prompted again to choose Facebook lead, go ahead and click it to confirm. You're now ready to link your Facebook account that manages the page running lead ads. Click Add Account. A Facebook window will open asking you to sign in and grant permissions. Use a Facebook profile that has admin or advertiser access to the page you want to capture leads from. Grant all requested permissions, especially those related to leads retrieval, pages access, and ads. These permissions are required for Zoho to read your lead forms and send submissions to the CRM. If you've connected before and the session has expired, you may see a Reconnect button. Click that to refresh the link without starting over. Once permissions are granted, Facebook will show the list of pages available under your account. Select the page or pages you want to add and confirm. If you don't see any pages yet, or your account doesn't manage any, simply close the pop-up for now. You can come back later after you've created your page or been granted the right level of access. As a tip, if pages are missing, double-check you're using the correct Facebook profile and that it has the necessary page roles. After adding your pages, Zoho will sync the connection. From here, leads generated by your Facebook forms can flow into the Leads module. It's a good practice to review field mapping in Zoho so names, emails, phone numbers, and custom questions land in the right fields. You can also set assignment rules and follow-up workflows to notify your team or kick off nurturing sequences automatically. Finally, consider sending a test lead from Facebook's testing tool to confirm everything is working as expected. That's it, your Facebook leads are now connected to Zoho CRM. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.